Okay, this is problem 20 from chapter 7 of CFIN7. This is a non-constant growth model calculation. So when we use the non-constant growth model, what we're going to do is you lay out the dividends, and up until they start growing at a constant rate, we're going to just present value those dividends back. But and on the last one, we're going to employ the constant growth model, so which is P0 is equal to D1, the dividend in year one, divided by R minus G, R being the investor's required rate of return, and G being the constant growth rate. So in the future, so for example, with this problem, we have a dividend in year 4 that's going to grow at a constant rate. So that's going to give us the price in year 3. So we're the last one, we're going to be present valuing back 1 year less. And so let's the question: Sparkle Jewelers expects to pay dividends per share of 60 cents, 90 cents, $2.40, $3.50 during the next 4 years. Beginning in the 5th year, dividend is expected to grow at a rate of 4% indefinitely. If investors require a 20% return to purchase the stock, what is the current value of Sparkle stock? So so we take the dividends. So year 1, then we divide that by 1 plus the required rate of return. So 1 plus required rate of return, 20%, close paren. And then we want to, we've got the years laid out here. So we want this one to the first power. So it doesn't affect the calculation, and then we go to the rate and we hit function F4 and that locks it in. So the dollar signs will appear when I hit function F4. So now I can, if I put the little cursor on the bottom right hand corner, I get this cross. I can drag it down. So right now I'm present valuing the dividend in year 4, just 3 years. But what I do is I come over here and I put parentheses and a slash, and then so here it's my dividend divided by R minus G, so 20% minus 4%, and then again this calculation right here is going to give me the price in year 3. So that's why there's a 3 here. I'm present valuing back 3 years. So let me see if all right. So now I just go over here and I get a sum. It's going to add everything up in there, and I get $15.17 as the current value of Sparkle stock.